Hello, little friends! Today we are going to count from 1 to 10 using delicious fruits.
Hi, friends! Are you ready to...
Number 1. 1 apple. Number 2. 2 bananas. Number 3. 3 oranges. Number 4. 4 strawberries.
Number 5.
5 grapes. Number 6. 6 pineapples. Number 7. 7 watermelons. Number 8. 8 peaches. Number 9. 9 mangoes. Wow! Number 10. 10 pears. Yay! Great job! Let's count all the fruits together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, friends! See you next time! Subscribe for more fun games!